What's up, people on YouTube? Hope you guys are having a great day today. Well, this is what I do every morning. I break down the stocks that I'm looking at for today and how I traded them. So today was a fat red day today. I'm gonna break down the stock TEUM that I got in and just held on too long. Was in the wrong mind frame for that trade and just handled it wrong. So I'm gonna jump into that. But real quick, if this is your first time viewing the channel, this is Just the Average Guy YouTube channel, and this is what I do every morning, man. I break down the stocks I'm looking at, how I trade them, and going through my process. So let's look at APOP here first. I did a decent trade on APOP here. Actually did a morning trade. Wasn't the best. Missed out on some good sales here. So I got in here on APOP, so I was making this nice reversal here. RSI dip, had a nice wick here. It was going green. I was like, let me go ahead and get in. Waited a little too long, got in at 376. So missed out on a good 2 to 3% there. And I sold here on this red candle, 382. I was like, it got rejected really hard at $4. I was like, but as you can see here, the K was still rising. The K was still rising. Definitely could have sold around 390. You know, somewhere around that area. I had two areas to sell here and just didn't give it time to move. This was a nice strong wick right here, and should have waited for a good sell. Look how many times it hit 390. So that's it there for APOP that I traded. Here's a nice little dip here, RSI. Stochastics didn't come down with that dip on the RSI, but came down with this one. Could have did a nice 5%. Sell on the max out on the K. Alright, so let's break down the bad trade of the day. TEUM. You can see here just making a nice downtrend. So yep, looks like I got caught up in this mess here. TEUM did a little trade here on the break of the bull flag right here. Nice flag. Nice pole right here. The flag. Did a little trade there. And then I decided to wait on the K to dip down. And I got some shares here. And then I decided to hold on, because I was about to sell right here at 4%, my stop loss. But I was like, oh, it's about to be a buy. Let me hold on and do a rebuy. So I did good a good rebuy. You know, did a full amount of shares here, and I think I did a full amount of shares here, and then just bought some more here. But the sell was right here. Here was the sell, 5% gain. Sell still would have been at a loss, but not nearly as bad as when I did sell. So I rebought here. I was trying to wait on the RSI to max out, to tell me when to sell, and just blew my stop loss. Just didn't use the stop loss. Kept going down and down, and then I finally sold right here. 7% loss. Just handled the trade badly. Always got to use that stop loss. Got to have a max stop loss that I got to follow, and that will minimize these losses here. So obviously this stock was on a downtrend. It even went down past the price that it opened at. So gotta be a little bit more careful there. If I would have been patient, wait on the good dip here, I saw that the K was dipping down, maybe should think about selling at least, some shares here. Or maybe just sell out of position, just do a little scalp. Would have saved myself. Or, would have tried to hold out for the max out on RSI and just would have had a stop loss set 3%. Would have been much better. So definitely just need to hold out on these perfect buys. Clear this out. Nice double confirmation. See if it has support. Nope, no support. So then maybe that's why I didn't go as strongly with the indicators to max out. But yep, just gotta be a little bit more patient. Gotta follow a stop loss and minimize these losses. So after this loss, I am going to have to put more money into my trading account, just so I can keep my buying power afloat and not keep craving into that. And let's not even worry about it. Just keep on following this process here, recognizing patterns, and I'll get it down pat. So let's look at SPY. See what it did today. Making some big moves here. Man, SPY is having a radical day. So you can see here, SPY is dumping, just dumping down overall on a downtrend. Let's look at gold. Must be going up today. Gold is going up. Look at that. Let's look at JNUG. See another gold indicator ETF. JNUG looking nice here. Let's look at its daily chart. See if it's following NUG. Here, mark out there, support. Look like it's making the same pattern as NUG in UGT. About the same pattern. Just gold mining ETF. And NUG is more of a gold index ETF. Which probably also has mining companies in it. But just interesting following similarities in ETFs and stocks. But that's it for me today, you guys. Nice red day today. See if we get a nice good green Friday tomorrow and trade a little safely here. Alright, you guys, that's it for me. Hit that like button for me if you will, if you like these videos, and subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this every day. Alright, you guys, hope to see you in the next one.